Today we're installing a Madjax retractable seatbelt combo kit designed for the Yamaha Drive2. Included with the kit is the seatbelt bar, the mounting hardware, the mounting brackets, and 2 seatbelt combos. To do this, we're going to use a 17mm wrench and socket and a 14mm wrench and socket with a cordless drill. Now let's get started. Before we put the seatbelt bar on, you'll notice the longer tabs and shorter tabs. Longer tabs go towards the front seat, shorter to the rear. You're going to place the seatbelt bar on top of the seat frame here, behind the mounting bracket tabs on the main mounting brackets for the seat frame. Now, using 10 by 25mm bolts, you're going to secure the seatbelt bar to the tab. Before you tighten your hardware, make sure that your seatbelt bar is evenly spaced on the rear seat. Once your seatbelt's centered, tighten your hardware. First, we're going to start with the retractable seatbelt. This is going to go on the outside of the cart at the front hole here on the tab. We're also going to take the bulky part of the seatbelt and put it on the outside of the cart like so. Then you're going to take the hardware provided, put the plastic washer on the bolt, go through the seatbelt and into the front tab. After that, we'll take our flat washer, our lock washer, and finally our nut. Once the seat belt's in your desired location, tighten your hardware. Now we're going to place the receiving end of the seat belt on the inside of the tab. We're also going to have the hole for the receiving end towards the outside of the cart. Same thing here, we're going to take the plastic washer and the bolt and go through the seat belt and into the tab. Again, we're going to put our flat washer, lock washer, and nut on the bolt, and then tighten our hardware. Now we're going to repeat these same steps on the other 3 seat belts. Remember that the retractable end of the seat belt goes on the outside tabs, and the receiving end goes on the inside tabs. It's a good idea to angle up the rear seat belts to give clearance for the flip cushion.